Okay, so let's answer these two problems. One involving RCD problem, the other one for steel design. So given problem is stated as follows. So given a singly reinforced beam with following properties and dimensions. So sige, draw natin yan. Ayan. So given a beam, reinforced beam. Okay. Reinforced beam with the following dimensions. Our base. You have a base 300 mm. Okay, a height, total height of 300, 500 mm. 510 rather. Okay, a span of, so basically this is a span. So, ayan. Here is, mhm. So this is just a simple span. May ibang sinabi. Simply supported beam. May kaya. So a singly reinforced beam with the following properties and dimensions: B300, H510, span of 5.3 meters. Okay. At prime of C, or the specified compressive strength of concrete, that is 28 megapascals. So Fy is for 14 megapascals. For 15 pala. Okay, so concrete cover rather, to reinforce centroid. So ito yan, dito yung tension steel natin. SRB lang naman yan, so that will be 70. So in addition to its weight, the beam carries a superimposed dead load of 19. Okay. So suppose na yun yung beam natin. Actually, okay na yan. Ganyan na lang yung beam. Ito lang yung beam, tas ito. Uniformly distributed load na yan. So, for dead load, that's 19 for you. Pero ang sabi, addition to its weight. So, may madadagdag pa rito na self-weight. Compute natin. For live load, that will be 15 kilonewtons per meter. For the self-weight, gagawin natin dito is unit weight ng concrete times base and height. Base by height ng beam natin. Or yung gross area niya bale. So, for unit weight ng concrete, we have, ano ba dapat ginamit natin dito? Sige, let's use, ano ba ginamit ko? I use 24. So, sige, 24 kilonewtons per cubic meter. So, is pwede siya ng 23.5. 23.544. Yun ata yung nasa code. Basta somewhere around that. 24, 23.5, 25. May 25 ba? May gumamit ba nun? So, ayun. Ito yung base and height. So, gawin nating meters. So, 0.3 by. Ang height ay 0.51. Okay? So, ayun. We got, rekta na natin. So, pag ganyan, kukunin natin yung ultimate load. Then, by using ano yun? Factored loads. Okay. LRFD sa steel design. So, dito, USD. So, 1.2 omega dead plus 1.6 omega live. So, ito yung malaki, automatic. Kasi yung isa is 1.4 dead eh. Kung may live ka, mas malaki to, automatic. So, ano magiging value na niyan? Okay. So, rekta na lang natin. That will be, di ko na pakita yung computation, but that is, ano ba yan? Okay. For this one, self-weight I 24 times point 3 times 0.51. I have an answer already. Is 3.672. 0.672 kilonewtons per meter. Alright, then add natin yung 19 times 1.2 plus 1.6 times ito, yung 15. So that will be 51.2064 kilonewton per meter. Napakita yung pag-type ko. Okay, so we have ultimate load of 51.2064. So, ayan, given a simple span, makukuha natin yung maximum factored moment. So, pag ganyan, WL squared over ano lang yan, over 8. That's the maximum moment. So, ayan. So, W, meron na tayo. Length in meters at 5.3. Square mo yun over 8. So, that will be 179.798 kilonewton meter. So, that's the answer for number 1, 179. Almost nearly gives. Ko alam, baka iba yung ginamit ng value for unit weight ng concrete or sa rounding off na dali, discrepancy. So, ayan. Determine the number of 20 bars. Of course, gagamitin natin yung MU dyan, which is yung nasa choices na yung gamitin natin. So 179.541. 179.541 kilonewton meter. That's for number 4. Number 5, determine the required 20 bars. Okay, so we already have the MU. So that is PMN. Ang P makuha natin mamaya. So, ang MN, nominal moment. So, pwede tayong dito kumuha sa dito. Kakaroon kasi tayo dyan ng compression block, depth ng compression block. Pwede ba straight line? Ayan. So, dito yan. So, ito yung compression block natin. Depth of compression block. Mana na nating A. Then, ito B. So, ayan. Then, for compression ng concrete kasi, that is, 0.85 times F prime of C. Then, multiply mo lang yung area, A times B, AB. Then, yung moment arm niya, so, diba, at this one is D pala. Wala pa pala tayong D. So, makukuha natin yung D. That's the effective depth. So, total height, 510 minus 70. So, ilan yun? 440. Tama? Minus 10. So, minus 10 mo, 500. Minus 60, 440. So, 440. That's the depth. So, that's depth. Buong depth, bawasan mo ng kalahati ng A. A over 2. So, dito kasi nag-a-act yung center ng compression concrete. Ganyan. And this one is for tension. So, ayun. D minus A over 2. Then, para makuha natin dito, sige, okay na yan. Naka-Newton millimeter ang magiging value niyan. Ito na, kilonewton meter kasi. Tama lang pala. So, multiply natin to ng, this one is naka-Newton millimeter. So, para maging kilonewton meter, okay, so sulat ko lang Newton millimeter. So, para maging Newton millimeter. Okay, para maging kilonewton meter siya, 1 Newton, sorry. 1,000 Newton, that's 1 kilonewton. 1,000 millimeter, that is 1 meter. So, tanggal ang Newton, ang millimeter. So, basically, you have to divide it by 1,000. So, ganun. Or, pwede siyang gawing 1 times 10 to the negative 6. Or divide mo by 1,000. Ay, 1 million pala. Not 1,000. It's 1 million. So, ayun. Ang makuha natin dyan ay yung A. Makuha natin dyan value is A. So, itong value na to. Gamitin natin to as yung 179.541. F prime of C, given na A. Ito ang makukuha natin, yung value ni A. Yung D, meron na. So, ayan. To solve for A, the value, so that will be 68.893 mm. Ayan. Okay, so we've got the A. Ano yung susunod natin dyan? Ang kailangan natin is number of bars kasi. So, equate natin yan. Kunin natin yung... Okay, so derive na lang natin yung maging formula. So, we all know that compression equals tension. Forces yan, 0.85 F prime sa AB times ASFY. So, to solve for A, that will be AS... Oh, no. To solve for AS, solve natin sa AS. Solve natin sa AS, so that will be 0.85 F prime of C AB over FY. So, ilan yan? Palitan mo lang sa A, yung value nung nakuha kanina. That will be 68.893. So, ang AS natin ay 1185.29 mm squared. Okay, so area pa lang yan, buong bakal. What we need is the number for, ano yun? 20 mm. So, actually, pwede na pala natin ilagay dito, no? Pwede naman, dito na lang, equate ko na lang to. This is area ng, yung area ng bar, pi r diameter squared times n. So, I already know the d. So, this is 20. So, to solve for n, ilan yun? 3.73773 bars. Or, round up natin, 4 bars. 4 bars of 20 mm. Ayun. That's your answer. 4 bars it is. Next, if an additional factored load of 20 kilonewton is at midspan is added, determine the required 25. Okay, so ulit din pala to. Basically, you're going to repeat the process. Kasi yung sabi may add 20 kilonewton. So, at midspan. Okay. So, dito na lang natin ilagay din 6. So, basically, mababago to eh. So, ang ultimate moment is omega UL squared over 8 for UDL. Then natin PL over 4. Yan, PL over 4. Ang tatanong is, yan, additional factored load. So, 20 kilonewton at midspan. P yan. Concentrated load yan. So, yan yung magiging maximum moment naman sa gitna. Since same sila ng pwesto na maximum moment, pag-add mo lang. Ayun. So, if an additional factored load, 20 kilonewton at midspan, is added, determine the required number of 25 mm bars. Okay. So, yun lang. Same lang yan sila. Ito, same to sa kanina, basically. Madadagdagan ng PL over 4. WL squared, meron na tayong yan. 179.798. Ang P, we have this 20 kilonewton. And this one is 5.3. Makakuha natin value niyan. Bagong moment ay 206.041 kilonewton meter. Ayan. That's the maximum moment for you. Kunin natin ulit si A. Basically, inulit lang talaga. Nadagdag lang. mu. Still, phi mn mu is equal to phi times mn. So, we're still gonna use 0.85 f prime of c, AB. Kasi kung gamitin natin yung tension, di natin alam yung AS, wala rin tayong A. So, dalawa yung unknown. Ito na lang gamitin natin. So, basic alam na to, divide by 1 million lang yan. So, yun, we have mu 206.041. We have, ito yung unknown natin. Ito yung unknown. So, solve for that. That will be 80.1768 mm. Okay. Then, yung area. Ito na yung hinahanap. So, area nung, ilan yung anong mga size na nun? 25 mm bars. 25 mm bars. The area for 25 mm bars, pi over 4 times diameter squared. This one is 25. And this one, oh, di ba alam na natin formula nito? This one is 0.85 f prime of CAB over Fy. Same to sa kanina. Yung dapat na pinagsama ko. Ayan. So, solve natin si N. Ito yung unknown. We have this, and this. Ayan. So, masasolve natin yung N. Number of bars is 2.817. Nearly gives 3 bars. There we go. That's for the RCD problem. One, two. One. Di pala unknown si A. Di pala required si A. So, di dapat binaks yan.